guys, Burko TV here, and today I'm with a couple YouTubers in real life.
Is everything
Parrot Gaming 25 and Panda Gaming 27.
Hi.
It's 657. Okay, let's just get on with the video already. So today it's Panda Gaming 657's birthday. You're getting 67 more subscribers. Yeah.
So we're going to the zoo.
Yeah, he's real. Like, this is an animation progress. He's real. I'm meeting a real YouTuber.
He also met Parrot Gaming 25.
Yeah, subscribe to him.
Like right behind
subscribe to him too. He has a sad YouTube channel. He only has 8 subscribers, and he needs more subscribers. Subscribe to him. Hey, we're in the zoo. Right now we're about to put some coins in. Alright, here's Parrot Gaming 25, and he's putting some tokens in.
You don't have to mention my name.
His real name is Malachi, in case if you don't know. Alright.
This thing was actually built out of trash.
What?
Yeah, it actually was.
Dang. Panda Gaming has a speech. What did you just say about that coin you have there?
It's a quarter. It's a quarter. It's a silver coin. It's $1 billion.
What the? Alright, we're in the gift shop.
Look at this right here. It's crystal candy.
Oh my god, crystal candy. Dun, 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 dun. What the? Do you know the Illuminati just popped up when you first showed it? Alright, so whoa! There's footprints from a giraffe. There's the giraffe. What is a bird's very important job? Nothing. Parrot Gaming 25. Wait, bird what?
Oh, sorry.
This bird, the freaking bird. That's it. That's nothing. He's dancing. Karate lesson.
Karate killer.
Alright, so this is what's it called again?
A red river hog.
A red river hog, and he's sleeping. Wake up! Alright, right now I'm going in this tree. What the? What is that?
Just another way you can look down.
There's a bird.
Oh, there's the dung beetles.
There's this animal. It's a deer mixed up to a zebra. Crack-a-lackin'. Here's just a second look at it. Now I'm going into this house. Get out here.
Oh my car! No!
Can Parrot be your nickname for your YouTube channel?
No, I'm not setting it.
I'm
not setting it. My nickname is the PG.
Brian! Alright, this is another house. Hello! I live in this house. Don't even think of coming in.
It's my house!
What? Alright. No! Panda Gaming 657!
My house. Mine.
Okay. There is a lion, and he just licked his lips, and
Looks like it wants to eat.
and now he's going to sleep. Darn it, it's hard to see now. And here's another lion. What's your name? Don't need to know. Triggered. What do you say? Sorry or sauce?
Say sauce.
Birdies!
It's right there.
Birdies! Birdies!
No, that's the animal. That
Monkey! Alright. We're in the monkey exhibit, and it really stinks in here. There's a sloth. There's a sloth. He's so cute.
Yeah, it's in your
Alright.
This is this like hunter editor.
How does it feel to be on my YouTube channel?
Well, you used to be a hunter.
It feels polygony.
Well, you had a rifle.
Well, life gives you lemons. What does it feel like to be on my YouTube channel?
Is that being quiet?
What does it feel like to be on my YouTube channel?
You want ready to walk?
I don't know.
Gotta wait on your mom.
Feels good.
Okay, then I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh look, there's otter.
You ever seen what otters do?
It's an otter. Turn around, the otter.
You ever seen what otters do when they sleep?
Darn it, it's sleeping. I couldn't cut its face on camera. Coolest man ever, yeah. Yeah. Woo. No, don't. Finally, it opens. Okay.
One. No, one.
There we go. One.
Oh, no.
Don't touch this button. No. Unless it's an emergency.
Open it.
Malachi, how are you going that fast? I knew I was gonna lose. I definitely knew it.
I'm going down.
Man, I got a lot of hard exercise today. We're up in the sky. We're just looking at the view from here. And
I'm gonna die.
no, we just learned that Colorado is surrounded by mountains. That's where we live, Colorado. So, in case if you want to go to Colorado someday, just know that it's surrounded by mountains.
And one of the mountains right now.
All right, Malachi, let's go down. I'm racing him down the elevator. Finally. I know I'm gonna lose. This elevator is slow. If you want to read this, you have to pause the video. Oh, finally we're there. I'm expecting to lose because Malachi can run super fast. Okay. Oh, darn it, you beat me! Be here and whoa, there's a bear. Just kidding, it's fake. Like, see, look. Wake up. See, look, it's fake. I can't believe I actually got you. Or escape the zoo. Just kidding, it's a poster. Oh, look, it's a lizard. Okay. There's also a turtle.
You see how nice the room is? You see how nice this is?
Yeah. Alright, so right here we got a crocodile. Okay, so here's a wallaby. And here's a better view of the wallabies. Alright. Now we're just chilling on the bench, waiting for Panda Gaming 657 and Parrot Gaming 25. Alright. This is the end of the video. You want to say bye, birthday boy?
Bye.
Okay. Okay, say bye.
Bye. What do you mean?
Like, I'm ending the video. Burko TV, signing out.